Hey guys, Glen Murray online. Today, $497 daily, how to build a six-figure funnel. I'm going to show you guys step by step what the pages are in the funnel. You can probably make it in any software you want. You could even make this in WordPress, but stick around to the end. I've got something super, super special for you that'll make it able to, you could have this funnel in literally like 10 or 15 minutes. It's really that quick. Let's say 20 minutes. Okay. All right. So let's get into it. What is a six-figure funnel? Or what is even a sales funnel? So basically what it is, subscribe if you like videos on how to make money online. Don't forget, hit subscribe now. So what is a funnel? So a funnel is simply this. It's a landing page, right? What's going to happen is people are going to hit that landing page, and I'm going to show you that the landing page in a minute, and they're going to put in there, it's going to have a compelling headline that's going to make them want to go, I need to learn more. It's going to ask for their email. They're going to put their email in. They're going to then be taken to a page that basically, it's called a bridge page. A bridge page can be you in a video saying, hey, thanks for taking the next step, blah, 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 blah. This is what you're going to, this is sort of like what to expect next. And then you're going to be taken to, look at those. See my finger? Kids paint on it. We were painting earlier. So it sort of explains to you what is going to happen next. And then basically you're then taken through the funnel, right? And it's just a series of small commitments that they click through, and then they're going to be taken through exactly how to do the sales funnel. So why do we do it this? Why don't we just send them right to the offer? Because there's no context. There's no context for them to get excited, and there's no commitment. What you want to do is have them, you don't realize it, but just clicking a mouse, clicking a button is a micro commitment. And once people start doing micro commitments, it's much easier for them to make a purchase, right? As opposed to you just send them to a link to, join my business, and you send them to a link and they're like, well, I don't even know what I'm going to do here, right? Instead, you want a series of sort of just like a salesman would do in a store, like, hey, what are you looking for? You're looking for that? Okay, great. What do you do? They ask questions, and then they try to fit whatever they have to see if the product is going to fit those people and solve those questions or those problems those people have. So let's get into it. Let's look at exactly how to build a six-figure funnel so you can start making 400. And this is, you're not going to make this right out of the gate, guys, but potentially this is huge. Another commission came in today from this program itself, and it's great. One came in for about 4 days ago. It just keeps coming in, and it continues to be like the snowball, like I talked about that yesterday. You're pushing that snowball up the hill, it gets harder and harder, but once you get it to the top and it starts going down the other side, you got to really add that momentum to it, and that's how you're going to do it. So let's I'll share my screen here. So for us, we use this landing page for our six-figure funnel, right? So copy and paste our free system that produces over $497 a day, and we'll work with you step by step until you earn over $100,000, till you earn six figures, right? So this is a great, compelling landing page, right? So they're going to send this, and you're going to send this out to basically cold traffic through solo ads, through viral mailers. Maybe you have a list yourself. I would say, hey guys, I just found this great system, and you're going to use that. Or maybe you're going to put a little banner on your blog, and people will click on it and they'll get taken to this page, or a page like this. You don't have to use our system, but just showing you exactly the steps in it. So they hit this, right? They put in their email. They say, yes, I want the money. The next thing they see is this page, right? So it starts out with, warning, if you don't get started, our system will fill up. So there's a urgency of a scarcity, right? And then your $497 a day system is ready. Click the button, get ready. So it's telling you, here's a video on basically, actually there's 3 videos now. Oh, they've even changed on this one. And this is the funnel I use. So right here, there's videos for you to see exactly how they're going to, what the funnel is, right? Activate your system now. who's made money. So this is the social proof, and you want to be seeing this when you're building a six-figure funnel or you're building any kind of online funnel. You really want to show proof that people are going to get results. You want to show real people that get real results. So all these people are getting real results here, which is awesome to see. They tell you what is involved in the funnel, right? These are the two guys that made it. This is Joel Tieran. This is Richard and John Weberg. They're the ones that actually created this funnel. This is a great funnel, guys. So you just click the activate your system now. It's a great commission structure. There's actually, you get paid, you make multiple streams in this funnel itself. But again, guys, this could be set up for your business, whatever you want, but you want to really show some social proof. You don't want glamorous pictures. You want just real snapshots of people, and make sure the people are in it smiling and stuff like that. But you want to show real people. You don't want to show the, when people show like the fancy castles and gigantic mansions and cool cars, it's too unbelievable, right? So this is what it is, page 2. So then you click, okay, yeah, looks good. I'm going to access the system. So the system starts out by telling you the tools you're going to need, right? So they're going to explain to you. And for this one, they say you need to use a Clickfunnels account because everything is done for you in this one. So let's say you're promoting Builderall, or you're promoting lead pages, or whatever you're promoting, whatever you built it in, you could say, well, register for lead pages, and you do some instructions on how to set it up. So they give you a complete little tutorial on how to get started. And once you've got your Clickfunnels account set up, you click next, and then basically you need an autoresponder. They recommend Sendshart. Again, if you were building this for your business, you could do whatever autoresponder that you use. And again, I always say this, an autoresponder is not like, I'm out of the office, I'll reply later. An autoresponder is a program that sends emails for you in a specific series of emails, right? And guys, this program, what's so cool about it, they wrote something like 40 some odd emails for this funnel itself. And this is why it's so effective, because people don't just get 5 or 6 emails when they opt in. They get almost 2 months of emails explaining to them and also selling other products. So maybe they don't want to do this funnel, but they're still getting emails. And from this funnel alone, I get commissions from ClickBank through it. I get commissions from Sendshart. I get commissions from Clickfunnels. So this more than pays for itself. I also get commissions from traffic sources. So there's multiple incomes in this funnel, and that's why I love it. And that's why this is truly a 6-figure funnel, because you're making money from all different sources, right? So you become a reseller there. You also want to register for ClickBank because you're going to do your ClickBank thing, and which is a free account there. Once you finish that step, you basically go to setting up your setting up the funnel. And look at, guys, it's step by step. So if you were doing this for your 6-figure funnel, you'd shoot a video on all the little steps you need to do. And guys, the steps don't take long. It really takes, each step takes about 10 minutes to do. It's basically, register, get your username and thing, and then go plug it into this, basically plug it in and do the same thing, right? So it's not hard. You're not building anything. All you're actually doing is cutting and pasting text and putting your links in, right? You just got to make sure that you follow all the steps. And then fueling your system with traffic. So then they talk about, well, how are you going to get people into your funnel? And then they talk about traffic, and basically you go here, and they talk about the different ways of feeding the machine, and there's done for you traffic. So you get, we can handle the traffic for you, or you can put a list. Now, guys, these are all referrals for me. Like, these are all my links. So when you would go in here, you'd become affiliates for these places, and you could put your link there. And that's how this funnel works exactly. So let me get back to my video here. So guys, look, in 9 minutes, I explained to you exactly how to build a 6-figure funnel. Now, I told you I was going to give you something special. What I just showed you there, guys, you can have that whole system for free. Just click the link below. I'm going to give it to you, including all the email swipe, everything. All you're going to have to do is basically plug in your links, which has a full instructions in there. and you guys can go promote it. I'll even show you where to promote it, like I just showed you on the last screen there, exactly where you're going to start promoting it. There's free ways to promote it. Like I said, you could build a little banner for your blog, but all of this is done for you. You don't need to build anything. Or another thing that some people have done is they've joined, they use it, but they've also used the structure of it. They've basically cloned the funnel, and they've made their own for different programs. So it's a great starting block. It's basically a blueprint for a six-figure funnel that you could plug in kind of any program. You could do a network marketing company, you could do a travel company, you could do whatever you're doing. You can use this template, this skeleton, and build it exactly for yourself. So right below is basically, I'm going to give you the link for that, but I'm also going to give you the link. There's a really cool, because this is a part of Clickfunnels, there's a really cool course that they offer, and it's called the Funnel Away Challenge. I've done it a couple of times now. I think it's so worth it. I'm going to put my link to it because I think if you don't want to do the six-figure funnel, at least go through the One Funnel Away course. It will blow your mind what you're going to learn there about doing sales online. And I don't care what you're selling online. I don't care if you're doing a brick and mortar, or well, not a brick and mortar that you've gone online, if you're doing a network marketing product, if you're doing affiliate marketing products, whatever it is. It's something that you need to know. Even if you're not using ClickFunnels, maybe you're using a different software to build funnels or pages or whatever it is, go through the challenge so that you understand the process. Because guys, he's at the top of his game. I don't care what people say, and some people don't like Russell Brunson, but guys, he's at the top of his game, and this guy has perfected the funnel. Now, if you look at any top earner, they have ClickFunnels, or they've had ClickFunnels and they've gotten all snippety and they've found something else to do, or they've had a falling out, and that's always going to happen. You're always going to have a couple of leaders go, "No, I don't use that anymore. I do use this." Anyways, go through, right? So first one, take my free funnel, go set it up, go use it, whatever, like go copy it, and if you don't want to use it in ClickFunnels, use it in something else, or use it as a template for your own. And number two, take the One Funnel Away Challenge. Vice versa, if you don't want to do the top one, take the One Funnel Away Challenge. I'm going to put those links below. You guys are awesome. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.